quantity A and quantity B, and then we have to find which quantity is greater. That's all. Okay, and then we have to guess the answer from here. So this kind of questions, I told one approach. Remember, Manuswe, quantity A write one side, quantity B write other side, and write in between these options A, B. Correct. And what is given here? Quantity A minus 10y. Correct. How much given quantity B here? Minus y. Now, do I know the value of y? No. Correct, no? I do not know value of y. So I can assume the value of y. Whatever I want is my choice. So what is a good number to assume? Okay, y equals 1, assume 1. How much will get this side? Minus 10. Good one, good one. So minus 10 this side. What about other side? Minus 1. Now, as of now, if I assume y equals 1, so which options will be eliminated? Looking at the quantity. I got minus 10 here, I got minus 1 here. Can I say minus 1 is more than minus 10? Yes or no? Which means quantity B is greater as of now. Based on this which means option number A gone, option number C gone. Option A, quantity A is gone. This is also gone. Correct, no? Now remember, you must assume at least 3 times and compare. So because y could be any number, no? It's not given y equals 1 only. For every value of y, you have to compare which is greater. Understood? So let's go ahead with the other value. What is a good number we can assume? Other, to eliminate the options, let's plug in y equals 3. How much will get here? Minus 30. What about here? Minus 3. Does it make any difference? Is it the different answer and the expressions than the previous one? No, which means y equals 3 as assumption does not make any sense. So assume some good number where we can make a difference. You can eliminate the option, right? So can we assume the negative number? Why not? Correct, no? Let's assume y equals minus 1. Now tell me, what should be this side? 10. What should be this side? So which is greater now? Well, A is greater, which means which option got eliminated? B also got eliminated. What is left out then? That's all your answer. Which means the relationship cannot be determined from the information given. Make sense? This is the kind of questions you get only in the GRE. So remember, your assumption should be something where you can make difference. You can that the assumption will eliminate few options. Then only we can say is a good assumption, is a good number. Understood? Sai, see the assumption y equals 1, assumption y equals 3 is the same kind of assumption, isn't it? Because it did not make a difference, the same thing. But y equals minus 1 made a difference, where I could eliminate the option number B also. If y equals minus 3, I put it. Right? So that's why the choosing the good number is very important, and that will play a different and very crucial role in the exam, right? Solving the questions based on this kind of questions where we use plugging in. Okay, shall we go for the next one?